Sign Emamo Aquaba Ediba Badwam so ewo Adom TV ebre ewiedu say de agukensem ensemremam yen sign enkaimo say sectoral debate eba so ewo Accra Digital Center circle anopeya sharp yehwe humesua say na Ghana humesua ne ete NDC MPP any the other political parties the omo edemayen yehwe say bia Ghana betimi afa yen tuma pefra ewo ye humesua muntino anopeya hia ewo Accra Digital Center circle du honoma ubiso bia obia betro be kan ho questi bia obia no de oba makuku damfo na ewo NDC for MPP for ho omekiro omadwen say na omode ye humesua no ko fan tempa so yasada kese enkoma bet power na what we leaks no start EPL start Spanish La Liga crowd no and start Italian Serie A so chance okwa Germany so DFB poker no so cap no so ebe to joint no bet power there won trebia na what we waso ebe ye shipa nti omo ne dwumekwa waso masene se me fago kensem ensemrement tempan so se na medi kan no league na chance odani we need trade no Spanish La Liga Ghana ni Abrante Inaki Williams captain Atletico Bilbao ma omo ne Gatafe ebo 1-1 na obia ehye no yonko yenhwe se na highlight no ekoye. Still on the Spanish La Liga, yenhwe weekend the matches betimi atoto Real Madrid ejinokono FC Barcelona so ejinokono ntini yehwe se na matches no ebeko Real Sociedad amone Real Vallecano and the bepem so ntini enye fidi agro ti Celta Vigo and Deportivo Alaves at the bepem so na Las Palmas and Sevilla at the beboso Osasuna and Leganes so at the bepem so Valencia amne FC Barcelona match we emobile the first match until Valencia for ya Barcelona for pass na Real Sociedad and Real Vallecano at the bepem so na medi kan Mallorca also and Real Madrid and also Sana Medica and so na Real Valladolid omone Espanyol at the bepem so na Villarreal and Atletico de Madrid omo and Spanish La Liga no omone bepem so odani weni editre EPL so EPL matches na otwe e be din papa and Chelsea Manchester United and Fulham and ebo and enumere 7 p.m. sharp Manchester and EPL na no omone Fulham and bepem so odani weni editre other fixtures so Ipswich Town, Omani Liverpool, Arsenal, any Wolves, and the Bepim, so Arsenal, Everton, and Brighton and Wolves Albion, Newcastle United, and Southampton, in Ghana for interest, Southampton, Nottingham Forest, and Bournemouth, so Ebepim, so Bournemouth for so no Ghana interest, West Ham, yes, Mohamed Kudus, and in Brantiano, Omani Aston Villa, and Bepim, so then we need to check with the other matches, Ebetimi, Atutujan, Brentford, and Crystal Palace, so Ghana for interest, Chelsea, the Blues. Chelsea, the Blues, Omani Manchester City. Hey, Chelsea, first match against Manchester City. Nani Jordan so Monday no Leicester City and Tottenham Hotspur. Omo and the bepem so ewo eda Jordan ni ahwe se na matches no ebetimi akokọ so. Ye na ni emfanchiro oman Ghana ni ahwe nsema APM ewo man Ghana no odani weni ediche Diana FC omo owner na say their team no eye ne dia eye osiade Osaje for Osiade yo Ajima Medu the second Eddie Semia Tutuja say Oshia Kurt Years Okraku or no NA Ghana Football Association president na in Sembi or the tutu in any airport say Kurt Nadim stressing so far so good no good anyone say Kurt Airborne Homodin Bia say Ghana football ebetimi amfa to mapa Efra.
You need to say you believe say or vision or be ni swade will be I will be me say yes sani na ya bompaye kaimeki eye adwumadina obede ebemma adwuma na ayede aye kama I want to sit down here this is the bono region kitam ketuwe na me pledge say ndina minua nsiatre Injina ninuanom bichini injina ninuanom a baba foforo brekum Chelsea dikan injina ninuanom a baba foforo young apostles enim say ye no one da e be support we be ayem tiase exercise with them we will continue to give you useful suggestion. Yes, yeah, what decision you can also. Well, I hear you, my mother passport, my son, well, you need to share papa. ye be bobora o de ade bia be share football mini ba ba chire ne mama no e pen e ka papa o me dia be ka pen ka na ne mama se kan ye ball yi be start ya no an say start ya na ba ne o se mama bi na the way be see issue be niama on point ra de ni say bibi da chire eye bibia na kanfo papa sama kanfo ana say obi andi ade n'echi nim kakra football ma follow share enema be issue out na de this administration sama kasa di no sorry kwa panja godruso wa because say need free you said the say here the ball
Yes, in the end, I need to check the CAF Champions League at Ghana Premier League winners FC Samatex 1996. Omo and Omujiro Mainga name na what you Kwesiara and Omo Victoria United Omfi Cameroon at the Pemso make us say Samatex Ewo Cameroon Omo ya Homboa Edia Tren Kwesiara match na ebetimi atujano na captain Edema Samatex Enoch Boateng Edia Tuja say match any de Kanya Ombabe Bontinu players no Oma Riata so say Kwabre no de besi bia no Omo fancho Ghana.
I think Africa is playing the Africa competition is one of the biggest. I think one of the biggest competition in continental clubs. So as we are representing Ghana, I think it's a big task for us. And then as a team, we are prepared to take the challenge. I think Victoria United. We barely know them, and is playing with a side that you barely know them. It's going to be a difficult task, but then our coaches are working so hard, and then I know our first leg we are going there for good results, which will help us go into the second leg. So I wouldn't make any promise for now, but then I think we are going to do well. We have to qualify from the prelims, and then we go to the next stage. So what we're looking after now is the prelims. After that, then we look forward to the other task ahead. So we take it match after match.
What? And then you so then we editor Takwati and stadium the Kumasi Asante Koroko omone mediama and MPM so we omodi BT and stadium now shepe na se bibia ko so match no 5 p.m. we we need has folk force so aso ya you see Adom omofi Pobi man adani we need editor in swatcher nyama ehihye so se bibia ebekoso amamo no mo sai editor to just say nyame Adom omofi swatcher no mo de omani editor Togo no mo de one friendly game bi akopem so na na league no ebesha ase no na bibia akoso amom sanso na haso folk afem na so no Linda Othenge omone Linda apam yes obiate ne wanse Linda koni baby haso folk for so ejromu baby ntino eno ne nsama ekoso nyame Adom ochina nyame Adom ochina na Eric Esiedu Boedi ni mame no eyi no eba so Eric Esiedu mame eyi no eba so ewo Kwewu bepon yes kwewu bepon eho na eye no eba so no multimedia nyina na obi bia wo hwe bia no be jam na yemfa ye maame Mrs Boedi enko bebia nyankopon nankasa de nsa ebeto no so amaye na da kwa ma bia na ehia ye nyina edi osie ewo soro ahemem no ntina ha na brema me ho kwan na me de akokensem na nsem na sim din eti nyame ba Bernard Padibotwe